Hello, my name is Luis Estrada, and I'm a software developer. In this video, I'll show you how to forward a GoDaddy domain name to a website. Now that you have purchased both your domain name and website hosting, it is time to put them to work together. You need to create and configure your hosting account to work with your domain name. Click on the Back to My Account link. From this page, you can manage your domains, hosting accounts, web servers, and any additional services that you purchase. Click on the Hosting menu. You will see your new account waiting to be configured. If you click on the link, you will see the account details like the domain name, the IP address of the server hosting your website, the status of the account, available storage space, and used bandwidth. You will notice that the details are missing. Once you finish configuring your account, you will see all the information. Click on the Set Up Account link. You need to complete 5 steps in the configuration process. The first one is to read and accept the license terms. Then you have to create a username for your new hosting account. This username can be different from the username that you use to access your GoDaddy products. Then you need to enter a password that is at least 7 characters long and that includes lower and uppercase letters as well as numbers. Depending on the characteristics of your password, the web page will tell you if you have a weak or a strong one. On the next page, you will review the characteristics of your hosting account. You will be able to choose the domain name that you want to associate to the account. If you have purchased more than one domain name from this registrar, then you could select which one to use from the drop-down box. The next window presents options relative to the management of the web server that you'll use. Since we chose Windows as our server's operating system, then we shall use Microsoft Internet Information Services. You can choose which version of this application to use. The main difference is that the 7th is not compatible with Cold Fusion and front page server extensions. If you don't know what this is, just leave the default IIS6 option. Choose a version to support ASP.NET applications. Usually it's better if you choose the latest 3.5 version. Finally, it is recommended that you enable Google Webmaster Tools, as they help Google access and index your site. The last step is confirmation. Your account will be set up using the information that you provided. Once you finish the process, it could take up to 24 hours for GoDaddy to set up your account. Now go to your account list. You will see information about the account and its status. Once GoDaddy finishes the setup, you should be able to access the main page of your website by typing your domain name in the address bar of your web browser. I'm Luis Estrada, and I've just showed you how to make money with your websites.